into almost $40,000 in like a month. It was actually not a it was like 4 weeks and something, but mind you that I was not trading every day, and so basically to do something like this, you can imagine it's really incredible. I've been trading like 4 years, but this is crazy. I was shocked. So basically, Pocket Option, this is a new platform. I think they've been around like a few years, but it's still pretty new. And you can find a very easy guide, 1, 2, 3 steps, in the description below. I made a website specifically for this to make it easier for you. And basically, let's get right into it. How I do it is I was first, of course, like trying to find the best strategy, and then I finally found basically it was the same principle I use in forex and crypto and this trading. So here you see the platform. After you register, you'll get into something like this, and what I do is I select the currencies I want to trade. So basically I will just turn this off, so you see exactly how it looks when it starts. And here we go to currencies, and you need to make sure you select just those above like 88%, so because this is what you get actually. I will explain later. So basically the higher the better. So I just choose like this, I put them on the screen very easily, very quickly. Okay, and then I go to stocks, and normally there's even more currencies like above 90, but now I don't know, it was just, so basically now stocks, I select those above 90%, like this, and that's it, we have enough. Now what I do, I'm gonna explain to you exactly right from the beginning. So basically here we have those currencies that we are going to try to find a setup. And but first, you can see I have here just 2 indicators. I don't use any indicators because I will not go into it, but I don't like them, and they just they are just, I think, prohibiting you to really see the price. So basically I have just these 2. This is 20 moving average, this is 200, just to basically show me where we are at in the market. The way how you put them on, this is the indicators button. So basically first I remove them, and now we'll go to indicators, moving average, second time click, because we want to, then go adjust, edit. The first one is 20, I like it to be blue. The second one 200, and I like it to be red. That's it. And now we have the same screen that I have. I put it like this so it doesn't so it's not on the screen. Okay. Here basically is the area where you will see all the trades you do. This is the history, and basically what you are doing here in Pocket Option, this is called binary option trading, and basically it means you have just 2 options. Either it goes up or down, and you just choose based on what you see on the price action. So basically here I'm breakout trader, so I will do when it breaks actually and it meets my criteria, I will go up. This is how I trade. So I would just click up, and you can higher the green button, and it would open the trade, and it would close the trade depending on which time I set this time clock. So basically what I like to do, I like to put it on 12 seconds, because this is very important. I have the chart set up at 5 seconds. So this is also what you need to make sure, because normally by default you have it like 1 minute. So basically I put 5 seconds, it's already there. And basically here I don't know if I would enter this trade, but basically if I enter it would be still profitable because in 12 seconds it will be still up. But this was not such clear. I will explain the strategy a little bit later. So basically now you have all this set up, and of course I recommend to try it first on demo, but when you sign up on the link in the description on my website, they will suggest you to deposit money. But of course you should deposit some amount, because I asked them to give you some coupon, and this one I have is 50% on the first deposit. So basically the amount you deposit, for example, let's say you deposit 100, you will get free $50. And this is actually incredible, because if you deposited $1,000 you would get $500. So, and just on the first deposit, so really make sure to think about it. Just of course just the amount you are comfortable with. Don't gamble, don't put more money than you can lose. So basically I think like even like $50 is okay, and you would get like 25 for free. And just, but of course like if you have more, it's always better, because you will have half of it for free. So maybe the sweet spot would be like deposit 100 and you will get 50 for free, and then you can use it for trading and withdraw later. So basically my strategy, I was testing a lot of strategies, and in the end the strategy that I use in my forex and crypto trading turned out to be the best. And because my strategy basically designed on my personality, I don't have patience, and I really need to see those steps. What I do, I just browse from the beginning via these currencies, and I watch. And now I see if it's gonna be a breakout or not. If it breaks above this top, I would actually enter high. But if I don't see the setup, I'll just move on to the next one. No setup. Basically now for you it's gonna be like a little complicated, but once you do it, you'll see it's really simple. You just try to find the right candle from like the right setup. And the good thing is that it's just 5-second intervals, so you can find them a lot faster than like 1 minute. So here I would go higher because I see a nice break. As you can see, in 12 seconds it's gonna close, and I'm gonna be in profit. And now you see I made a nice profit, and it even continues. So basically this is how I trade, like the clear breakout with energy. You see like is going up because it just broke above the structure. So let's find some other trade. Some nice breakout. Maybe this one is about to break. Yes. Opened higher trade, and now we have 12 seconds for it to go up. As you can see, nice profit again. So and it continues, because basically this strategy is the best for pocket option, because you need energy, so it closes above your level when you go higher. So you need some energy, and the breaks are usually accompanied with energy, with volume. As you can see, we have still volume, so I open another trade, and now we have again third win in a row. So as you can see, this is how I trade, and I found out this is the strategy that wins most of the time. And basically, to start up, if you want to start with your own trading, as I said in my description below the video, you can see my website, a link to my website with a really easy 1, 2, 3 steps how to get started, like within minutes. Literally you can start trading within minutes, and it will, as I said, it will suggest you to deposit. I would suggest 50 to 100 if you have like, if you have never traded and you just don't have maybe money to like even put into account, like if you are on a budget, maybe just start like 100 and you will have $50 for free. Because as I said, I actually asked the company to be able to give my viewers a nice coupon, a nice bonus, and basically this bonus is directly embedded in the link. So basically on my website, when you click on the button, on the green, on one of those green buttons, I actually show you right my website, so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is when you click in the link in my description below the video, you will get to this page. My website, basically here I put it very nicely, very easy. If you are on your desktop, you just click this button. So I'm on a desktop, so I simply click open account here on this button, and it will open a new tab with the website where you just fill out your email, password combination, click I have read, I'm not a robot, and just sign up. It's simple like that. So, and then if you are on a mobile, you would just click this button, and you can basically, it's a very simple website, no distractions, just 1, 2, 3 steps. Here is the link to my video, again buttons to open the account, and that's it. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, you can just ask me below in the comments, and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And that's it, guys. So I wish you good luck, and see you later in my next videos.